What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to edit PDF files on your iPhone and iPad. Editing a PDF directly on your iPhone or iPad might seem tricky, because most apps either limit this feature or hide it behind a paywall. But in this guide, I will show you a simple, free method to do it with two apps, I Love PDF and Microsoft 365. To get started, you will need to download both apps from the App Store. So, open the App Store, search for I Love PDF and install it. While you're at it, also search for Microsoft 365 and install that too. You'll need both apps for this process. Once both apps are downloaded, open the I Love PDF app. On the left-hand side, tap on the Files app. At the bottom right corner, tap the plus icon and in the Import menu, select Files. This will open your iPhone or iPad's Files app. Now, locate and select the PDF file you want to edit and upload it to I Love PDF. Once your PDF is uploaded, switch to the Tools tab from the left-hand pane. Here, select the option PDF to Word. This will open a menu where you will find your uploaded PDF file. Tap on it to start the conversion. It will only take a few seconds. After the conversion is complete, go back to the Files tab in I Love PDF. You will notice a newly created output folder. Open it and you will find your converted PDF file in Word format. Next to the Word file, tap on the three dots icon and select Share. From the pop-up menu, choose Save to Files and save it to a folder of your choice in your Files app. Now, open the Microsoft 365 app. If you're opening it for the first time, sign in with your free Microsoft account. On the app's home screen, navigate to the OneDrive section and switch to the My Files tab. Tap the plus icon at the top right and select Upload. Locate the Word file you saved earlier and upload it to Microsoft 365. Once the file is uploaded, tap to open it. You will now be able to edit the document freely. You can delete text, add new content, and format it however you like. When you are done editing, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the file editor window and select Export. Choose the PDF file type, and then save the final edited PDF file back onto your local storage in the Files app. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.